The real Conjuring House, located in Harrisville, Rhode Island, has a fascinating and storied history that has captivated both locals and paranormal enthusiasts alike. Nestled in the quiet countryside, this charming farmhouse gained widespread attention after the events that inspired the popular 2013 horror film, The Conjuring. The history of the house dates back to the early 18th century, when it was built by the Arnold family. Over the years, it changed hands multiple times, with various families residing within its walls. However, it wasn't until the Perron family's arrival in the 1970s that the true haunting began. The Perrons, consisting of parents Roger and Carolyn and their 5 daughters, moved into the house unaware of its dark past. Soon after settling in, they began to experience unexplained phenomena. They reported hearing strange noises, doors and windows opening and closing on their own, and seeing apparitions throughout the house. The activity escalated, with the family being terrorized by unseen forces. They sought help from paranormal investigators Ed and Lorraine Warren, who confirmed the presence of supernatural entities. The Warrens conducted several investigations, documenting their findings and providing support to the Perrons. The Conjuring House eventually gained widespread attention, attracting both believers and skeptics. It became a landmark in paranormal research, with ghost hunters and enthusiasts visiting to experience the house's eerie atmosphere for themselves. Today, the house stands as a tangible reminder of the supernatural events that once unfolded within its walls. It has been the subject of numerous books, documentaries, and even guided tours. The Conjuring House continues to pique the interest of those fascinated by the paranormal, serving as a chilling reminder of the unknown realm beyond our understanding. The Conjuring House holds a rich history filled with mystery and supernatural occurrences. Its story has left an indelible mark on pop culture and continues to intrigue both believers and skeptics alike. If you would like to book a tour of the Conjuring House, or even stay overnight, go to www.theconjuringhouse.com.